There we go. Trophy. So I thought I'd kill an afternoon and come out to the bridge and shoot some fish. I just saw a gar. There he is right there. Oh, I fell off the bridge. Oh, right under him. Water's clearing up nice though. Sweet. Let's see if he went on the other side of the bridge. Okay, let's get this done. There we go. Right where I wanted to. Be some good meat on that dude. Sweet. Yeah, man. Here we go. Awesome. Whoa, 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 buddy. Yeah. That's a nice one, too. Sweet. Well, I'm gonna give him the good night stick and loin him out. Nice one. Good eating. There we go. My to-go bag. No mess. Right on. Well, that's enough for me. Awesome. There we go. 30 minutes. Got a meal. Not too bad. Country takeout. Well, it's been a few years. I'm going to show you all how to clean a gar. And so stay tuned. It's really not that gross at all. You don't have to mess with the innards at all. Just open up the shell and loin it out. So stay tuned. To make it easier, 2-inch roofing nail, hammer, hacksaw, pair of tin snips, and a fillet knife. I'm going to take the fish, I'm going to nail its snout down through the table. I'm going to take the hacksaw to get through the armor. It is like armor. And once you're through, take your snips, go down the side, each side. You can hear that. It is. And straight down the back. Alright. Get down here, turn. The other side. Now you're just going to want to separate the armor with the fillet knife carefully. And lay that open. Not too hard. And you don't have to mess with any of the guts at all. There, you just separate that, lay that over, and do the other side. You might want to wear a glove for your handling hand because scales are very sharp. Cut your hand. Nice and clean, easy stuff. Now we're just going to loin it out. backbone. Follow the ribs. Pretty dang easy. Take my nasty glove off now. There you go. Bone-free loin. Tastes like pork chops. Try it. It doesn't really smell fishy at all. It's pretty cool. All right. Trophy. I think I'm gonna get in the pool. It is hot. Swim in some oil. All I did was soak them in some salt water and just cut them in half. And this is just a dry mix: flour, Lowry seasoning, salt and pepper. Man, that's all it is. Easy peasy. Shake it up, throw it in. Shake it up and the moisture off the fish coats it. No egg batter, nothing like that. And you have a nice crispy finish. I like it. And I use peanut oil usually. Gar is one of the oldest fish on the earth. It's pretty cool. It's like dinosaurs. Yeah, for real. I think it's about time I change my oil. Gives it flavor. Oh yeah, come on. Fried chicken. There you go. That's how you catch, cook, and clean a dinosaur. I'm gonna go enjoy this on the front porch. Thank you, goodness. It's like pork chop. Wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. If you liked it, hit the like button. My phone's dinging. Share it. Subscribe if you haven't. Come back for more. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.